how to start or stop relax mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines, and then tap on relax. Now, if you haven't used relax mode before, then you need to set up. So tap on the start button. Here, choose set relax mode to turn on automatically in a certain place or in a certain time period. So I choose time period, and it say here between 10:26 to 11:26 p.m. for Friday. Tap on done, and then tap on next. So set your time period, and then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on or turn off, do not disturb, and then tap on next. Here, choose what to do in relax mode, sound mode, and volume. So you can customize your sound mode and volume in here. You can reduce or increase the sound, set it to vibrate, mute or sound, or don't change volume. And then tap on done. You can also turn on power saving mode. So turn it on, or you can just leave it blank and tap on done. Okay, here we can now turn on by tapping on the turn on button. So tap on turn on and then turn off. So once you have set up, if you go to relax mode, you can just tap on the button to turn it on. Here, if you swipe down at the top in your quick settings panel here, if you go down to the bottom, there is a mode button. You can tap on it to turn it off, or you can tap on mode and then tap on relax, and that will turn on relax mode. And that's it. Here I will switch it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.